Cutting. Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. Thanks for checking us out. If you're a returning viewer, thank you. The following video is a culmination of a couple different nights between Saturday, last night, and the finished product pretty much done today. Just a little update. Friday, we are planning on going to the Brownstown Bull Ring at Brownstown, Illinois. However, they are predicting widespread, strong, severe thunderstorms in the afternoon to early evening. So we will be playing the weather game once again. However, Saturday looks pretty good for us to go to Federated Auto Parts Raceway at I-55 in Peevely, Missouri. That is their opening night. So hopefully we can get one of two nights in this weekend. We are definitely ready to get on the track.
Twist the bar and that goes right in there and holds it straight up. So it's a little taller.
All right, but this was, there's no way that was inside here.
Yeah, it was. The nose went down there.
Right, but look, we're bigger than the chart. Right now is what I'm getting at. If we flip it over, it ain't going inside there.
It was in there. This one was in there. We had it in there. Or the white one was there. That was off the car. You want to try it? I'll show you. Let's see.
Crash carton.
Take yours your way a little bit.
No, I'm hitting.
This has to come out through here.
It's got to go on the outside?
Huh?
You need to be inside that bar, right?
I need this white fairing to come out through here.
Okay. I definitely like it stood up better than that.
I was showing him what we had. There you go. Now look. Now straight up. Now straight up. Straight up. Keep going. Keep going. Right there is how it was. That's how it was. Actually, it's offset. We did move these a little bit too, so.
I think that the other way is a lot easier. I mean, you're going to have to do more work.
But see, I was trying to do that to prevent it from sticking below the floor so much.
Yeah, but if you turn it around the other way, you stand it up, it won't be.
Correct. Well, when we position, yeah, when we the stubs is sliding into.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, if you're just going to put stubs on this bar, make sure you run that bar at an angle. You know, if you're just putting stubs on.
Yeah, we should be able to offset them or whatever.
Right.
You know, we gotta.
Even if one on one side, one on the other.
Right. So, I think we need the crossbar tacked in there on each side. Bring this down, and we can fish. We can go in or out what we need to get that nose in or out. Because right now we could squeeze that in. You definitely got room to squeeze it in over here. So then that could position as far in or out as we want. And I think we should try to maintain this as narrow as can be.
Right, yeah, bring it in as far as you
As far
can.
as we
You
can.
gotta look at it this way, don't these panels go on the inside of the car?
Both. You can go both with it.
We can build it however we want it.
Plus that'll give me a full tray in there. I can split these angles out and put that other half of that tray over there and put a floor in.
starting to come together.
But you gotta start somewhere to hold the damn thing. It's so freaking awkward.
Don't watch that. Back to fabricating on the pitch chart. Rattle can Rick's gonna be in heaven.
I'll just cut a board and U it a little bit. Actually, this is say 21. Yeah. Well, we wouldn't have any problems with no door thing angles on it, but that's a different thing there. Find out.
2 complete sides, nose, hood. And you can lay them fenders in right here.
Absolutely.
So our goal in building this was to make sure we would still have a walkway to get by it, which we have accomplished that goal for sure. Coming together. Cutting. The pit card is pretty much, our crash cart's pretty much done. We need to paint it. We've got it set up pretty much how we want it. We're just gonna add a bracket in on this bar here at each end to hold our T-bars. Put a piece of aluminum in the bottom down there to set our fenders on. But we pretty much got it set up how we want it. If we race this weekend, it's going to the track just like it is. And then we will paint it next weekend. We've got our doors and quarters, spare hood, spare nose ready to bolt on the car as it, just like it is, our pit lift, and we're probably going to hang our pit mat right here. So took a couple nights, most of Saturday, but we've got it set up pretty much how we want it. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Make sure you share this video with your friends. hopefully we will have racing videos coming up soon. Right now, we're ready to go. We're just waiting on Mother Nature.